Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. Today we are going to understand a basic thing in the SQL Server. Today's topic is how to connect Microsoft SQL Server or MS SQL Server. So this is basic topic for the beginner or the first time user. So I'm repeating our title, how to connect Microsoft SQL Server or MS SQL Server. Okay. So for that, what you need to just need to install the SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server on your machine. Then you need to go to the search menu, just type SQL Server. So the moment you will type here SQL Server, the system will find that SQL Server kind of application is installed on your machine. So it will locate like this Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. You need to click on open. Okay, this is a one way. So you need to click on open. This is one way. Another way is just type or just press Windows R. Then this option will run. Option will come here. You need to type SSMS. This is another way. So just now we have chosen the SQL Server. So this window will come, and if you observe this window, you will see carefully server type, right? Then server name, then authentication. Server type is what? Server type will tell you which engine are you going to use. Let's say you are working on the relational database system. A relational database system always have a two-dimensional data. That's a table and the row. So you need to connect to the database engine for just accessing two-dimensional data. And for example, your system is having a multi-dimensional data. That's a X, Y, Z. The multi-dimensional apart from the rows and the column, we can see the data in a multi-dimension. So you can understand that concept when we go to understand the analysis services. So in that case, you need to go through the analysis services. Then if you are using the reporting services or reporting DB just to get the reporting information, so you need to go with the reporting services, or if the package are installed on your server and if you want to access those packages, you need to connect to the engine known as the integration service engine. So right now we are going to connect to the relational database management system. So we are going to use the database engine. Then you need to know the server name. As of now I am a fresher, so I don't know anything. So simply I'll type here dot. Dot means the local SQL server which is installed on your machine will get connected. This is the one way, just press on a connect. So you will be connected to the local system. Another way how to know the name of a server. So you simply need to go to the browse more section. There you will see the all the database engines, right? Database engine, analysis services, reporting services, integration services, and you will find if you click on the plus sign, all the server listed inside this. So I'm seeing here 1, 2, 3 servers installed on this. I'm selecting Shrikant. So as I need database also on my machine, I installed the analysis services. So this is analysis service server. So there, right? Freecom for the reporting server says also installed on the same server. That's why I can see the reporting services also belongs to Freecom. But I want to connect to the database engine, so I'm selecting the Shrikant under the database engine. Okay, click on OK. Then again, if you click on connect, it will get connected to the same server. Okay. Next, authentication. There are multiple type of authentication which are being used to connect to the SQL Server. Right now, we have used the Windows authentication. Why it worked? First of all, it worked because the SQL Server is installed on my local machine and I'm accessing the server on the same, right? So I can use the Windows authentication. But if I'm using this server or if I'm going to access the SQL Server from another machine where the SQL Server is not installed, basically client one. So in that case, I need to pass here the name of a server or the IP or the DNS name here. Then I need to go to the SQL Server authentication. There I need to pass the username, let's say ASA, and the password is I'm going to give is 123. Let's try. This is again connected, right? Okay, just I'm sure. Also, if you are going to connect to Azure Active Directory, basically the your data is on a cloud and you want to connect to the Azure relational database, so you can go with the Azure Active Directory Universal. Here you just need to username. The next step it will ask you the MAP code and other part. MAPM is the dual security related stuff. Then with a password with Active Directory username and the password. for the user for the respective directory. Then if it is integrated, you simply need to connect. Okay, fine. So these are the multiple way which you can use to connect to the SQL Server. So I hope you guys understood how to connect to the Microsoft SQL Management Studio. Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio is an IDE or is an application which is used to run the relational database or the multidimensional query, right? Okay. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys like and enjoyed the video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe with your community, and thanks for watching.